Greetings to respected Madam Sir. I'm Pavan Sai, a second year CSE AML student from the section C. Today I'll be presenting on logical programming for artificial intelligence in surveillance, focusing on how AI can help identifying potential terrorist threat. Logical programming for AI and surveillance. Logical programming allows AI systems to reason and make the decision based on the rules and fact. In the surveillance, it helps analyzing the data from the camera sensors and other sources to detect suspicious activities effectively. Uh, this logical programming for AI in surveillance, it uses an AI to detect potential terrorist threats. Introduction. Surveillance systems are increasingly relying on AI to enhance security. Logical programming provides the foundation for these AI systems by allowing them to infer threats, recognize patterns, and predict potential attacks. The precision explores the role of logical programming in artificial intelligence, particularly in the context of surveillance applications and aiming to identify potential threats of terrorists attacks and examines the foundation principles of logical programming, its application in AI, outcomes of successful implementation surveillance systems. So, logical programming in AI. Logical programming is a paradigm where knowledge is in expression in fact and rules, and AI uses resourcing algorithms to derive conclusions. Languages like Prolog are commonly used for the approach. They represent knowledge as fact. Example: person entering a restricted area. When a person is entering into a restricted areas, it provides like entered a restricted area. So represent rule. Example: if a person enters a restricted area repeatedly, flags is suspicious. AI users uses logical resourcing to interfere potential threats automatically. So fundamentals of logical programming. Logical programming is a paradigm based on formal logic where programming are constructed for a set of sentence in logical forms. It is particularly useful in AI due to its ability to represent knowledge and reason logically. The subtopic discussion and the key principle, syntax, and semiotics of the programming along its relative development. Uh, the basic logical program includes statements about the words that are true, condition statements connecting facts, cues, questioning the system, asking itself to check or predict scenario, interface engines, the core of systems that derives conclusion from the rules and facts. Applications in AI, artificial intelligence. So, logic programming plays a vital role in various AI applications, such as expert systems, natural language processing, and machine learning. This is session outlining the diverse use cases of logical programming in AI, highlighting its strength in problem solving, reasoning, and knowledge representing particular in complex systems like surveillance and threat detection. Logical programming is widely applied in AI for surveillance, robotic expert systems, and natural language processing. Example: in surveillance, detection unusual movements or gatherings, recognizing faces and identifying the blacklisted individuals, predicting threat like in hood based on historical patterns. Case study of successful AI. Let's look into a real world example where AI and logical programming enhance surveillance. Like smart CCTV systems, it detects unusual behavior automatically. Airport security, AI predicts threats using logical rules on passengers' behavior. City surveillance, predicting policing models using rules to identify potential hotspots. The slide highlight this slide highlights key case studies where AI has been efficiently employed in surveillance to mitigate terrorist threats. It provides examples on specific systems that have deployed logic programming to enhance threat detection capability. Success stories will illustrate the operational effectiveness and impact on these technologies, showcase their significance in public safety and security. AI surveillance for threat detection. AI surveillance systems integrate cameras, sensors, and database with logical reasoning to detect threat efficiently. Real-time monitoring for suspicious activities, combining multiple data sources for accurate detections, alert generating for security personnel where potential threat are being detected. So techniques for threat detection, threat identification. Uh, Key techniques which are used in AI surveillance includes pattern recognition, like identifying unusual movements or behavior, predictive analysis, predict potential attacks based on historical data, anonymous detection, flags deviations formed from normal pattern, face recognition, compares face against watch list. In this section, we explored various techniques using an AI and surveillance to identify potential threats. Common methods includes pattern recognition, anomaly detection, a real-time data analysis. The slides will outline how these techniques works and these effectiveness in predicting and preventing terrorist activities, empathizing the integration of AI in modern security infrastructures. And the ethical consideration and private issues. While AI enhances surveillance, it also raises ethical and private concerns. Uh, Potential invasions of privacy through constant monitoring, risk of bias in AI algorithms, ensuring data protection and responsibility of using an AI. The use of AI surveillance raises significant ethical and private concerns. This slide discusses the balance between security and individual privacy, right? Examining the implications of instructive surveillance practices. It also addresses the necessity for regular framework, ensuring the responsible use of AI technologies while processing citizens' civil liberties. Future trends in AI surveillance. The future of AI surveillance is moving towards integration of deep learning with logical reasoning for smarter detection, use of predict analysis to prevent threats proactively, improving privacy, preversing AI techniques, expansion into smart cities and autonomous security systems. Looking ahead, this slide anticipates future techniques in AI surveillance technologies. Key development may include advancements in deep learning, better integration of AI with IoT devices, and improve an algorithm for threat detection. This the discussion will focus on how the innovation can enhance security measures while further engaging with public concerns about the ethics and privacy. Conclusion. This presentation uh, outlined the logical programming from the foundation of AI surveillance systems. AI enhances the ability to detect, predict, and prevent potential threats while it provides efficiency and security, ethical considerations, and private protections and critical. The future holds more intelligent, predictive, and privacy con conscious surveillance systems. Thank you. Thank you for your attention.